Love him so much. So guys, as y'all can see, I wake my baby. What's up guys? I don't know, so it's your girl CeCe and I'm here alone at the intro this morning because Nathan is sleeping, as y'all can see. So guys, I know so honestly by the title we are going to go for today. So before we get any further in that, I just want to like, comment, share and subscribe guys, and as when you get the notification, when you click on it, leave a like, leave a comment down below. And guys, the main thing, watch the ads. You see me? Like, comment, share and subscribe. Turn on the post notification bell and tell a friend to tell another friend about my YouTube channel. You see me? Yeah, so basically what we're gonna do this morning is we're gonna do a morning routine. So as y'all can see, I'm my first week and I'm gonna try to wake my baby. Look after I'm done inches, eh? So yeah guys. So I'm gonna just continue supporting. Thanks for 18.3k subscriber. Just keep on supporting and keep on sharing our video. And yeah. Baby. Me. Me. 11 so much. So guys, as y'all can see, I wake my baby and tell people them good morning, baby. Say good morning. I say tell somebody good morning. You say look well like him tired and really sleep at you. You have to stop it. You look well like you're tired and the So yes guys, as I said this morning we are gonna do a morning routine. I'm not really sure if we are gonna like clean up in the room and then after go to bed. We're not clean up my room, though. That's what we are gonna do. Eh?
Stuff.
Eh?
Yeah. Brush teeth, wash face.
Brush teeth, wash face, that after the be, but I'm not talking about that.
Spray out the bed, babes.
Seriously? Clean up the house?
No, that is spray the bed.
Oh. I sweep out in here.
Mm-hmm.
And then what?
Brush teeth, wash face.
Mm-hmm. And poop. Yeah?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, people, you do in charge, be.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, baby, so. People remember to subscribe, you know, and follow up on Instagram.
At Nathan underscore lavish with 2H, guys. 2H.
Yeah,
See me?
2H, you know, lavish.
And my Instagram name is real underscore CeCe underscore 876. Guys, say yes, guys.
Yeah, remember to follow we. Follow CeCe at real underscore CeCe underscore 876. Two link them for Instagram.
I got it in the description.
guys.
And guys, there are 3 YouTube link in the description, guys. Me ask you to please just go over there and subscribe. Me I gonna call the name after I don't tell you what to do, guys. I just want to go over to them page, subscribe, make him know say CeCe and Nathan. Say no. You see me, guys? Please. You know say everybody will record on YouTube. Everybody want to reach them goals, so just please. The first verse is OJ Vlog TV. I want you to go over to OJ Vlog TV and subscribe to him, people. Hit the notification bell over him channel, guys. He might work hard, and I just want to go over there. If I even 300 subscribers, I want to bring him because him there 200 and something now, guys. He's really hard working. Yeah, guys, so just support him. And the next person is DJ Nigel Snipe. Want to go over to his channel and subscribe to him. Him a bit things that go on over that channel there. I'm not ever telling you nothing. You say if you're not interested, you just click the link and see what go on over there. Because a bag of things, giveaway, be your excitement. I want to say giveaway, I don't mean like some look, yeah, YouTube Godfather. I want to say giveaway, I don't mean like Sweetie and them something. Understand? Yeah, so just go check it out, no more. And the next person is my channel, guys. I need y'all to go over to my channel and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and leave a like.
Oh yeah, baby. Well, we should have spread the bed, you know.
I would do it because I want to.
Like, make you see every little thing we are floating in the air. Oh, yeah, make you get to move out of that nice because I don't want the music to pick up in nice something. Yeah, people, so remember, remember to subscribe to each channel, see me? Turn on the post notification bell once you're new. Or if you're not turn it on yet, you see me? Subscribe if you just watch this channel. Leave a comment down below. Yeah. Thumbs up this video, guys, and remember to watch the ads.
And remember to share out a video.
Yeah, guys, share out the video them.
You see me, guys? Yeah.
Done. Yo. What's up? You the toothbrush them there. Toothbrush.
Yeah.
Them of see we afraid because we're dangerous. We carry cape on the main. Healing, yeah. The east them are done for. Click with the pan a jump and we have a couple of cape from Russia. Alright, see there, come on, I'll go here. I don't know where this are doing now. I mean, I cut it out.
You have to cut out that.
Hold it, because I don't know.
Oh, please, and so first, we got our best spray in jam. I'm gonna brush her white nice teeth.
Good. Eat it. Wow. What's that? What? We're done. That's what the toothbrush I'm giving. Yeah, people, just remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Turn on that post notification bell once you are new. Follow us on Instagram. And send me the link for our Instagrams will be down in the description, guys. And remember to watch the ads. You know, say, yeah,
out there.
Bathing time, you know, you see me? So, let's do this. Not bad them before. Take time.
No, I didn't mean so.
Just take time. So you know where I get.
Another.
So, yeah guys, so we just have a video but we're gonna speed up, you see what I mean? So, after we done being anything, yeah. Right, come. We have this in your phone. Come in. You know, show Khadija. Just come in. Just come in. What show is Khadija? Khadija girl? Sorry. So yes, people, you have to end that CeCe in this, huh? You see me? So guys, you know see what going on already, so until next time, in next video, you see me? So just remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. You see me? Turn on the post notification bell. Just leave a like on the video guys at the end time. Please me I beg you and comment so you can recommend to more people. You see me? Yeah. And just follow up on Instagram. Subscribe to CeCe next channel. Until next time.